Hi guys, I'm really excited. Guess why? My second mystery package came in today. Super excited. Stick with me. We'll get this open. Okay, so this is another mystery box. So of course my first observation is this is not a box. It's a package. So that's interesting. It's from a place called Daily Sale. Now, this one costs $20, and the company claims that for $20 you get $50 worth of merchandise. So I'm gonna have to see about that. And there was about $9, $10 shipping, so total $29. It's not that heavy. Seems like could be quite a few items in here. Oh wait, I already know what you are. Look at that. It looks like some kind of shoe for very, 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 very small feet, which I do not have. So let's get this opened, and I'm just going to reach in and well, I'm going to pull these up first because I'm pretty sure what they are. So um, let's be surprised. All right. I'm going to reach in and pull these out because, like I said, I'm pretty sure I know what they are. They're in front. So I don't know what kind of a company this is. I don't know. Try not to look. Oh no, they're pink. I don't know what this is. It's poking out. Okay, get back in. Whatever that was. It was poking out at me. Okay. So, these are a pair of pink size 7, look like slip-on flip-flop type sandals. Luckily, I have a lot of nieces, so I'm sure one of them has a size 7. Not really for me, but hey. Okay, let's grab it here. Oh my god, what's that? Okay, I'm gonna pull that thing that was poking. It's a rubber chicken. I have to say, apparently this is a novelty store. It's a it's a shrilling chicken, which I have to say I've always wanted. I like to thank the Academy. Oh my god. Oh, hopefully something useful in here. Okay, let's check this out. This seems like a smaller package. Oh, phone grip wallet with kickstand. Okay, that's kind of cool. It looks like you put it on the back of your phone, and it's a grip, but it's also a wallet. That's neat. Now, if it sticks, I won't use it because I don't like sticking things to my iPhone. They're too expensive. But I know a lot of people with iPhones that would love this. Let's see. Come on out. I want to see. Really? Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's got sticky stuff on the back. And then it opens and you stick your finger there to hold it to the cell phone. And then has little slots for some cards and maybe a couple of bills in there. So I'm sure somebody will like this. So that's kind of cute. Doesn't smell like leather, so it's not real leather, but the whole back is completely sticky and you must just pop it on there and use it. Make a cute little gift for someone. I'm not going to put that back in because it was hard to get it out. So we got, let's see, 3 gifts so far. That's it. 4 gifts. What in buggery bollocks is this? I have no idea what this is. It's just some kind of hole. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's a wine cooler. Get a bottle of wine. I see. What's this? Oh, it has the little flap for the bottom to hold it open. This is cute. I like this. And some little pouches on the sides. And then you fill it with ice and put your bottle in there. Okay. And it has a, I don't know what this is. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Must be some kind of strap to keep it on somehow or strap it to yourself, but whoop. But yeah, that's what it is. It's got a little clip on the side here for whatever you need. Maybe a corkscrew. Neat. Oh, I see. Okay, it goes around this way. There we go. Then you clip it on that way. And then you carry it. Okay. That's nice. I like that. I will definitely use that. Neat. Cool. Alrighty, so 4 gifts. 2 of which I'm giving away. I'm gonna keep the wine cooler and the chicken. So I'm happy. I mean, it was only $20, 29 with tax, but I don't think this totaled $50, but I could be wrong. Maybe this is $25 in itself. So I mean, it could be worth some money. So yeah, I'm happy. So I'm gonna have to drink this now. Oh yes, and this is cute. This will be a nice gift for somebody. Whoever wants them can have them. So that's it. So that was mystery box mystery package number 2. I'm happy. So if you liked today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have subscribed, remember to hit the notification button, and so you don't miss any future videos coming up. And there's a lot coming, so stay tuned. Have a great day, guys. Bye.